Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Front fuse boxes. The engine primary fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage protects key components like the engine control unit, fuel system, and ignition. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents electrical overloads in critical engine functions. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage powers and protects circuits for interior features like the dashboard, infotainment, lighting, and driver controls. It helps maintain reliable operation of cabin electronics and safety systems. The right power hold fuse box maintains power to systems like memory, keyless entry, and security after the ignition is off. The left power hold fuse box supports systems needing continuous or delayed power, such as lighting, sensors, or control modules. The right side engine fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage protects circuits for engine components like cooling fans, sensors, and actuators. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage controls power to components like the fuel system, rear lights, and charging ports. It helps manage and protect electrical functions located at the back of the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.